Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're going through the installation process for Node on Chrome OS or Linux, whichever one you like, but this is Chrome. So I have a JS file here that I want to run, and I have an extension to run JS files installed here. So if you look through, you can see code runner, run JavaScript files is a part of it. So but when I try to run this, they tell me node not found. So this basically means because this is out of the context of the browser, I need node installed to run it. So without wasting much time, let's just get started and install node. So let's open the terminal here, and so this is a set of instructions I took from VS Code's blogs, the official site. And this first set of instructions is installing NVM, and we take NVM from GitHub, and then we pipe this file, the install.sh file, the output of it, into the bash. So this is what it contains. So we pipe it into our bash file. So let's just copy this whole code. Okay, so we have copy here, and let's paste it in here. So pasting it in here will download from the package, from the repository, like I said. So let's try running NVM now, but still NVM isn't running. So let's try restarting our terminal. So I'll just close this, right, and open a new terminal, and let's see. So NVM, yes. So now I have NVM installed. So node version manager version 0.39.3. Alright, so this is good. This is a huge step. The next thing is to install node. So installing node takes just this one line of code or bash code. So nvm install node. So we have it down here. First, let me clear this terminal. So we have nvm install node, and when we run this, we just wait for a bit for node to get installed, and we are good. So this starts the download process. Downloads node. Now we have node installed. So let's check the version of our node. Node v version. So we have node version 20. So this means we have node installed now. So that's good. So let's clear this and close our terminal, and let's go back to our application. So we have our JS file here, and I can simply try running it again, and we still get the same error. Now back to our JavaScript application. We have node working in our VS Code environment. So once I run this code, it gets it picks up the JavaScript code, even though it's not on the browser. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this. I'll catch you in the next one.